It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.